Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Jira for product management. To begin, open Jira and navigate to your board view. In this example, you'll start from the KN board. This gives you a familiar starting point inside Jira and helps you access the workspace where product management tools can be added. If you're already inside a project or board, you're in the right area to continue. Once you're on the board, look to the left side navigation area for the plus sign. This is the option used to add or create something new within your Jira space. Go ahead and click that plus icon. If your screen layout looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the left navigation carefully, since Jira interfaces can vary a little depending on your plan or workspace setup. After selecting the plus sign, choose Product Management from the available options. This tells Jira that you want to set up a workspace or structure specifically designed for product planning and organization. It's a useful choice when you want to manage ideas, priorities, and workflows in a more product-focused way rather than using only a standard board setup. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template. Choose the sample template. This is a helpful starting point because it gives you a pre-built structure you can explore right away. Templates are especially useful if you're getting started and want to understand how Jira organizes product management work. They can save time and make the setup process much easier. Once the sample template is selected, click. Try this template. This action starts the setup using the selected product management framework. At this stage, Jira will begin preparing the template so you can preview or launch it in your workspace. This is a good moment to make sure you've selected the option you want before moving ahead. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Jira will guide you through the remaining setup steps, which may include confirming details, reviewing the template structure, or completing a few short configuration prompts. Read each screen carefully and continue through the process until the product management space is fully created. As you move through the setup, it's a good idea to pay attention to any default sections or example items included in the template. These can help you understand how the workspace is intended to be used and can serve as a starting reference when you begin customizing it later. That's it. You've now seen how to begin setting up Jira for product management using a built-in template.